Today in this video, we are going to see how to find the values of x for any given quadratic equation. The given quadratic equation is like this: x square minus 3x plus 2 equal to 0. There is a shortcut trick for finding x values for any given quadratic equation. The shortcut trick is like this: first put the variables that are in the equation, that is x square, as x into x. After writing x square as x into x, then write 2 as 2 into 1. Now we have to do the cross multiplication for these variables, that is like this: x into 1 becomes x and x into 2 becomes 2x. Here note that always write the result that comes after multiplying the cash numbers in the middle bank. Now in the third step, we have to write the first and last variables that are in the each row, that is x and 2 and x and 1. That is like this: x minus 2 equal to 0 and x minus 1 equal to 0. Here in the question, they give minus in between square normal value. That's why here we kept minus. So the final value of x is 2, 1. Now you comment the x values for the given equation in the comment section. If you understand this video, then don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more this type of tutorials. Thank you.